Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 1B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Number is given here, which is 900-936-8238. Here the number is given, and 1B is Pravesh and his friends are living in the same flat and they use the same computer. Pravesh has created a document and saved as personal data on the desktop, and he wants to keep the document safe from his friends and write down the steps mentioned in the production feature provided by MS Word that he must use. This question is taken from the lesson 3, and you have to answer in the 40 to 60 words. If you want this, you can contact us on WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much.